In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 ChatGPT strategies only the top 1% know. By the end, you'll know how to get specialized, accurate, and consistently useful results, whether you're working on business, marketing, or technical projects. First, turn ChatGPT into an expert. Before you ask your question, assign a clear role and objective so the model adopts the right perspective. For example, say, act as a senior marketing consultant and create a growth strategy for an online business. You can add the industry, audience, constraints, and success metrics to guide the response. Phrasing like, from the perspective of an industry professional, steers tone and depth, and you'll see more specialized insights because the model understands who it's pretending to be and what it's trying to achieve. Second, use chain of task prompting. Break big projects into smaller steps and complete them in order. Start with structure, then details. For instance, first create an outline, then write each section one by one. Ask for a brief plan, confirm it, and only then proceed. This reduces generic answers, improves accuracy, and gives you a clean workflow you can adjust at each stage without redoing everything. Third, generate multiple variations. When you need ideas, ask for several versions at once and compare. Try, generate 10 different YouTube titles and rank them by click potential. You can specify tone, length, or audience to align with your goals. Reviewing a spread of options helps you select the strongest direction and often sparks improvements you wouldn't have considered with a single draft. Fourth, use ChatGPT as a critic. After it produces something, have it review and refine its own work. A simple prompt like, review your previous response and suggest 5 improvements, will surface weaknesses, gaps, and opportunities. Ask it to justify changes or flag assumptions so you understand the reasoning. This step is especially helpful before publishing or handing work to a client. Finally, build reusable prompt templates. If you repeat tasks, create frameworks with placeholders so you can swap details quickly and keep quality consistent. For example, create a reusable prompt template for generating high-converting Facebook ads. Include variables like audience, offer, tone, and call to action. Save these templates, reuse them for research, writing, and marketing, and you'll scale your workflows with far less effort. Combine these 5 strategies to get focused, accurate, and high-quality outputs every time. Assign a role, work step by step, explore variations, critique the results, and lock in templates you can reuse across projects.